What a beautiful gospel. And this is the beginning of the Sermon on the Mount according to Saint Matthew. It is the beginning of Jesus' teachings to his disciples. It is a very striking beginning because the Beatitudes express the vision of Jesus for the human living persons. No? For us human persons. For us who live and who has chosen to be his followers, his disciples. This is his vision for us. And the qualities Jesus refers to in these Beatitudes find its fullest expression in Jesus' very own life. Kung tagaan nato higayon nga atong utruhon ug basa ang maong ebanghelyo, ang kinabuhi mismo sa atong Ginoong Hesukristo mo'y nagalarawan niini. He is poor in spirit, in that he recognized his dependence on God, his Father, for the work he is being sent to do. He is pure in heart, and in that his heart, his desire was focused on doing God's will and on the coming of God's kingdom. He is merciful, and in that he brought God's merciful love to those who were broken in body, mind, heart, or spirit. He hungers and thirsts for what is right, for what God has wanted, and was prepared to be persecuted for being true to that deepest hunger and thirst. Brothers and sisters, when we look at the Beatitudes, we are looking at the very life of our Lord Jesus Christ. But we are also looking at the person that Jesus is calling us to become. Mausad ni iyang pangandoy para nato tanan. When we live the Beatitudes as Jesus did, we will be truly blessed because we will receive in abundance from God the comfort, the satisfaction, and the mercy. This gospel, indeed, this very gospel passage is worth pondering from time to time and allowing it to seep into us, into our very lives, and hopefully it will shape us the way we relate. To end this sharing, brothers and sisters, we remember ba na ato'y tagline, gifted to give. Inspired kita ato, dasig kita kay 500 years, gifted to give. But let us not forget, before answering that tagline, be convinced that we are blessed. I am blessed. Kay sometimes makalimutaan ni, kay usahay, daghan na kitag mga gisagubang nga mga pagproblema, kahimtang sa kinabuhi, pero lami kay bagulbul dayon. Bagulbul dayon. Nakalimuta, unsa dita ka bulahan.